going on, guys? Back on another video. It's your boy Mpo. I'm recording myself at the mall where we throw garbage. Awesome to throw some garbage. Can you believe that? It's not nice, guys. This 9 to 5 is not nice, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's not nice. I'm this close of quitting my job. This close. So yeah, I'm this close of quitting my job and work on myself, focus on what I'm passionately about, get in the craft and push. This one is not the craft, this one is full, it's bullshit. So I don't think I'm gonna post this video. I just wanna record it and just I'm like, you can wake up full of happiness, you go into work, but when you get to your job and someone just ruins your day, dog, like it's 8 in the morning. I'm recording this video, I think it's around 20 past 7, no, 20 past 8, and my day's already ruined. So I'm not gonna let anyone ruin my day. So yeah, guys, just find ways to quit your job, man. 9 to 5 is just not it. Find your ways to quit your job. Yeah.
Hey, what's going on, people? It's your boy Mpo and I'm back again on another video. I'm looking at gold, man. I'm looking at gold. I wanna start trying, trade gold. I wanna trade gold, man. I've been looking at videos on YouTube, trying to find ways to approach gold, because I've seen a lot of traders on YouTube making, tons of money off of gold. I've always hated gold, like for months, because I've never, requested a payout because of gold. So I have I'm gonna use my strategy to trade gold, and then I've also been, getting confirmations and evidence to actually know my directions, to confirm on how I'm gonna be taking the trade, which candlesticks am I gonna be looking at, and then the type of structures, major zones, sensitivity zones. So yeah, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I'm going to be approaching gold. Hey guys, okay, this is the gold strategy that I'm gonna be using for coming weeks. Yeah, the gold strategy. So let's get right into the strategy that I've been telling you guys about. I've been discovering how I'm about to go on and take gold, because for many months I've hated gold. I never really liked gold, and as time goes I kept thinking, man, how are these these traders making tons of money off of gold? What type of strategy do they use? So the day I woke up, decided to go to YouTube and then find out. So I didn't take none of the strategies that I saw on these YouTube videos. So I've decided to use my own strategy, just that to a couple of things, for verification, for evidence, for to understand where to anticipate and where to not, and where to just stay back and just look at the market and see how it's moving. So this is the strategy. Let's go right into the analyzing part. So this is how I anticipate gold. First of all, I'm gonna be marking the higher highs and the lower lows. I'm gonna start off by drawing a line here and another line at the top. Sorry. Okay, this is the line. Okay, so I'm gonna draw a line also here. The market was broken, this zone was broken, and then also the zone has been broken. Okay, then market change of character, and then it was retested. This change of character, the reason I say it was retested because of this. It broke out, retested, and it went down, broke out. But this is the daily chart, guys, don't forget, this is a daily chart. So heading over to 4-hour chart. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna start making a break of structure, change of characters. Gold, man, I've been looking at this strategy for days, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm so excited. So yeah, breakout of structure, market structure shift, and H1, we head over to H1 where we're gonna spot more breakout of structure and change of character. So I'm on H1, 1 hour chart, which means every candle that you see, it played for 1 hour. If this breaks coming this week, I'm gonna anticipate more buys to take place. Let's actually look at the current. Okay, just like to put my lines very perfectly, perfectionist. When I analyze, I don't wanna make mistakes. So the market has been moving very nice on gold. It has been moving very nice on gold, man. I'm not a gold person. I'm just excited that this strategy that I've discovered on gold for myself is gonna make me a lot of money. So yeah, plus I also changed in how I set my TPs and stop losses. I used to set my TPs very like reasonable and risk management thingy. So yeah, break of structure, retesting on the change of character, and also look at this. This is beautiful. Change of character, So this coming, we give the market breaks this line, I'm gonna expect a retest. This is how I'm looking at gold. So the strategy, guys, this is how I analyze most of the time. This is how I approach GBP USD and GBP UD. So I've taken that strategy and putting it on gold. So what I'm saying is, it's new that I've discovered that I think it actually works. It's nothing new, man. It's not special. Actually, what I'm saying is, I'm gonna be looking for something like this type of candlestick. I don't know if it's called shooting star or a hammer. If I see this type of candlestick on 1 hour time frame, I'm gonna anticipate the trade. Why? Because it's a confirmation that the market is going down. I'm no longer putting my stop loss way higher like I used to, because the reason why is because I wanna increase my lot size so that I can capitalize as fast as I can, when the current price is closer to reaching into my TP. I want to reach higher profits, so that I can have that type of emotion of saying, man, I've made tons, I don't really need to hit a TP on this trade, so this is so much money, let me just close, something like that. So there's nothing special about what I've just did here, nothing special. And then this is a very valid trade. Let me just show you something again. This is a major zone, guys. It's a major zone. The market is giving us a hammer. I don't know if it's a hammer or shooting star, and then I just put this there to and then I wait for this candlestick to close. When this one opens, then I enter the market, and then I set my TP. This is how I'm going to be trading gold. This is how I'm going to be killing gold. This is nothing special. Look at this candlestick, it just closed, and when it closes, we take a trade, and then we put the stop loss below the previous closed candlestick, and the market actually went in our way, so we don't know what's gonna happen this coming week. So yeah, this is how I anticipate the market. This is how I'm gonna be anticipating gold. If it works out, I'm gonna stick to it. Yeah, man. Approach gold, and then this is basically how I'm gonna be taking on gold. So I'm not scared of gold, honestly speaking, anymore. I used to be scared of it, so right now I'm just in a space where anything I can take on, challenge, improve myself, become a better person, and then become positive, like stay positive and confident, and and trust the process. Trusting the process, everything just reflects as positive. So I'm gonna be approaching gold a lot. So this is basically how I'm gonna be taking gold this coming week. Yeah, how I'm gonna be anticipating trades. I'm gonna be looking at it very closely. So yeah, I'm gonna make sure that I kill gold, man. A lot of traders are killing gold, so I want to be part of that. I want to let gold slide on my ear, my face. So I'm gonna be taking gold. Yeah, that's basically how I'm gonna be approaching gold. Seen you, I bet you guys have seen. This is the strategy that I've used. I'm not a mentor. I'm not a signal provider. If you guys want to understand the type of strategy that I'm using, that's the strategy that I'm using on any pair that I trade, GBP/USD and GBP/USD, and also gold. So I'm gonna be also going into Nasdaq and US30, but I'm gonna be keep practicing on them, understanding how they move and all that. I've always known how they move. I've once traded indices, but I've stayed away because of how volatile they are. So yeah, I'm just want to focus more on gold, understanding gold, how it works. So yeah, I'm not gonna let go slide. So I want to take as much as I can off of gold, and if it actually works out, we get into the payouts and blues every day. So yeah, I'm gonna look into gold more and more often every week. So yeah, that's basically how I'm gonna taking gold. So gold really works well with the strategy that I'm using, so I'm gonna be approaching it. Yeah, that's how I want to kill gold. So thank you guys for watching this video. For those of you who like this type of videos, please man, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the notification bell so that every time when I post, you guys can get notified. I'm Paul, I'm signing out.
Don't even talk to me. They need no water me. I need it all for free.